What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to find the top stablecoin yield farm pools where you can earn up to 5, 10, even 15 or 20% APY on stablecoins. So recently Coindex rebranded as Calendly, and with that they've launched a ton of new stablecoin pools where you can deposit various stablecoins and begin earning a high yield. So today I wanted to cover quickly how to use the Calendly website to find some of the top stablecoin pools available today. Let's get started. So the website here is Calendly.com, and as you can see they support up to 14 different blockchains. So you're not tied down to some of the more popular blockchains such as Ethereum or Solana or Polygon. You can use other stable coins available on Avalanche or Phantom or Arbitrum or Kronos, Moonbeam. There's a ton of options available to you. So on the dashboard here you have the trending top stablecoin pools. In the center section you have the regular yield farming pools, which are usually non-stable coins, and then you can also subscribe to their weekly newsletter where you'll get the top ranking pools straight into your inbox. And just remember, you do have to create an account with this website. It's free to register, it's free to use. So in order to search for the top stablecoin pools, you can use this widget here, or you can actually manually come lower here and click on the stable button here, and under TVL, total value locked, you want to select 1 million. And the reason for that is you want to contribute to a pool that has a lot of volume and high liquidity in case you do need to pull out your coins at some time. You do know that there will be high demand for that pool and it's relatively trustworthy and safe. I wouldn't recommend picking a pool under 1 million TVL. You can also verify this information by looking at the TVL section on this side here. And the last thing you want to do is sort by base. This is your base reward APY. This will show you the various reward rates available on these different pools. So right off the bat, we have a USDC pool here on Sturdy on Ethereum and a base APY of 37% APY and a TVL of over 7 million. And you would open this in a new tab. And again, the same information I just covered. And as you can see, the total value locked has been increasing over time. And just keep in mind, Calendly is strictly a search engine. They're just an aggregator. They don't host the pools individually. What they do is link you to the source. So in order to access this specific pool, we'll view Vault. Open this in a new tab, and this will bring us directly to the pool we want. And here we go. We have 3 different pools available on the Sturdy protocol built on Ethereum, USDC coin, DAI, or USDT. And you would have to connect your MetaMask wallet in order to do this. Don't forget to install the MetaMask extension on your browser. So always do your own research about these protocols. Look deeper into who created this protocol, who the team is. You want to look at their Twitter page, look at their Discord, just to do some due diligence on what the team and product is about. Cool, so I'm liking this one, so let's go ahead and pick another one. So personally, I like to deposit into stablecoin pools with a single asset, such as USDC, or max even 2, such as Frax or USDC. When you start adding 3 coins or even 4, it can get a little more complicated. That means you need an equal amount of each of those coins to deposit into the pool. And I know most of you don't carry each of these individual coins, so to make it easier for you, obviously stick to a single asset. So here's USDC on Maple, built on Ethereum with a base APY of 7%. Click on this, and relatively stable APY over time and an increasing TVL. So let's go ahead and view the vault, and here's the vault itself. There's an overview here, and like I mentioned, an increase in total value locked over time. So when you deposit into this pool specifically, they do lend out your coins, and in return you're paid out in Maple rewards. But the cool thing is, when you earn those Maple coins, you can go ahead and swap them back into USDC coin. And like I mentioned, always do your research about who the team is and what the product is here. Do your due diligence. And if we keep scrolling lower, here we have Yearn. It's a very popular protocol built on Phantom, and their DAI pool here is earning you 6.7% APY. And it does look like over time we have had lower liquidity, but that's all right. We're still at 5 million, which is still a high amount for a single pool. We would then view the vault. Here's the Yearn website, and just remember we were on the Phantom chain. From there we can scroll over lower and locate our DAI pool, which is here, 6.71%. Click in there. Obviously, you would have to connect your wallet, so make sure you have MetaMask installed and some DAI stablecoin into your MetaMask wallet. And from here, you would simply just deposit and approve the transaction in this vault. And finally, here is one more USDT on Banky built on Avalanche. So let's click in here. And we are seeing a bit of a lower TVL over time, but it has stabilized the last couple of weeks. The good thing is there's still over 6 million locked in this pool. So we'll go ahead and view the vault. Don't forget to connect your wallet. Cool. And now that we're inside, we'll go ahead and find our USDT pool. And like I mentioned, here it is. Great, and once you're in this page, you would simply click on supply and borrow, and you would supply the USDT stablecoin into this pool. Great, and that about covers a quick guide on how to find the top stablecoin yield farming pools on Calendly. This is a great resource for finding the best and top performing pools in the crypto space. I definitely recommend you sign up for their newsletter so you can get the top pools straight into your inbox, or simply reference the dashboard here. Obviously, do your own research into these specific pools and make sure the protocols are trusted by verifying their Twitter activity, Discord, and any other resource you can use. Personally, I like to keep my coins in stable pools for at least a month, maybe more. I really have to gauge on the amount of volume coming in and out and the performance of the pool. So it is a somewhat passive strategy. There is some pools where I have left them locked up for at least 6 months, even a year, and those have been great performers. So it really just depends on your risk appetite. And don't forget to stay up to date with all their latest updates at 0xNanoli on Twitter. So let me know what you think about Calendly. Are you a fan? Let me know in the comments section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.